right, welcome back to the shop. Tech Pick 2022 continues, and this is Guy, and this is his pick that he's gonna kind of go over with you.
Hi, I'm Guy. Got a 2004 Softail Deuce. Pretty much stock, factory custom motorcycle. Not a lot for add-on accessories. Like you can add on the exhaust, a few covers on the motor, grips, tank bra. 18-year-old bike that has been well taken care of. The owner did a few custom things to make it his own, but it's in excellent shape for the year. And that's why I picked the 2004 Softail Deuce for my tech pick this year.